You don't want to color? You want to stand on it instead?
Hi.
Hi. Are you coloring? You want to color your leg? Why didn't you color the paper? Good job. What a good line, Grace. That's wonderful. Good girl. Do you want to color another line? You're a lion. What does a skunk say, Grace? How about a sheep? That's good dancing. That's good dancing. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye-bye.